Mastering the phrase, trail arm, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, trail arm. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, understanding such phrases is essential. Let's dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and learn how to use them in our everyday conversations. The phrase, trail arm, is commonly used in the context of physical activities, especially those involving motion. It refers to the arm that is behind the body during movement. Imagine someone running. The arm that moves back while the other moves forward is the trail arm. It's not just in running though. Swimmers, basketball players, and even dancers often refer to their trail arm when discussing technique. Now let's see how to use trail arm in a sentence. In sports commentary, you might hear, "The runner's trail arm helps to maintain balance." Watch how the quarterback uses his trail arm to avoid a tackle. In everyday conversation, the phrase can also be metaphorically used to describe something that is lagging or following behind. Interestingly, trail arm can also appear in other non-sport contexts. In mechanics, it might refer to the arm connecting the wheel of a vehicle to its frame, important for suspension. Or in aviation, the term can be related to the part of an aircraft's wing structure that trails during flight. When learning English, it's easy to confuse phrases. Remember, trail arm is not about trailing in the sense of following someone closely or a trail as in a path. It's specific to the position and movement of an arm relative to the body or another part in various scenarios. I hope this explanation clarifies the phrase, trail arm, and you can now use it confidently in your conversations or while enjoying sports. Remember, learning a language is like a sport. The more you practice, the better you get. Keep learning and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!